We are going to harvest our first bottle gourd of this year today. I cannot reach it there, so I'm going to use the step ladder. No, I cannot cut with the scissors. I have to use the knife. Hey, we'll see how much it weighs and how long it is. This is a bottle gourd plant that is growing onto the trellis. You can see small fruits also. That's one. This is a bottle gourd plant growing on this trellis, and we have only one fruit that is grown this big. The rest of them are small. I don't know, they are not growing because if they are not pollinated. You can see multiple fruits. These are the male flowers of bottle gourd. I'm going to cut them off, and I'm going to see if I can hand pollinate them. This is a female flower. You can see the small fruit at the base of the flower. So this is the male flower. I'm going to rub this male flower into the female flower. See? I don't know if you can see. അത് കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇതൊക്കെ കാണാൻ കളഞ്ഞു പോയതാ. This is our bottle gourd plant. You can see the base there, and it is growing onto the trellis. And it has covered the entire trellis. Still growing. We have a few more bottle gourds growing very well. This is one, this is another one, and this is one more here. So some of them were drying out like those. So I hand pollinated few of them, and they are growing now. In the previous video, I said I was not getting growth on this bottle gourd. So what I did was I hand pollinated most of these bottle gourd female flowers, and now they are growing well, as you can see. We have to train the vines onto the trellis. That's a male flower. This is a female flower, you see? The female flower has a fruit at the base. It's really heavy. is a snake gourd. Look at the deer, they are watching me gardening. As soon as I leave, they come to visit my garden.